This is the Mr. Christmas. What is it called? The
Mr. Christmas, Voice Control, Maestro Mouse, The Lights and Sounds of Christmas.
Now this is the deluxe version.
How can you tell the difference?
Because it has a different box art and it has more songs, so.
Oh, okay. I like how it's got the.
Yeah, it's.
Okay.
Do you want to go over the box?
First?
Yeah.
So it says, use voice commands to bring your Christmas lights to life. Say, hello, Mr. Christmas. Maestro Mouse will answer, say, play a carol. Maestro Mouse will play your song request. And you see the detail of the mice being his little Maestro self. He is. It plays 32 Christmas carols. Turn your Christmas lights on and off. It's for indoor use only, of course. And then on the side, it lists the 32 songs. Because you get 16 voice recognition songs and then 16 bonus songs.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, did you want me to read the songs?
Yeah.
Okay, we got Jingle Bells, The 12 Days of Christmas. Sorry, let me get on focus. Joy to the World, O Christmas Tree, O Come All Ye Faithful. We Wish You a Merry Christmas, Deck the Halls, Jolly Old St. Nicholas, Hark the Herald Angels Sing, Winter Wonderland, Frosty the Snowman, Silent Night, God Rest Ye Merry Gentlemen, It Came Upon a Midnight Clear, Here We Come a Carolin', O Little Town at Bethlehem. And then the 16 bonus ones. Sorry, I'm having trouble focus here. Good King Wenceslas. We Three Kings of Orient are. Angels we have heard on high. Carol of the Barrels. Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairies. I saw 3 ships. What child is this? O Holy Night. Ding Dong merrily on high. Hallelujah Chorus. Toyland. Good Christian men rejoice. And all land sing, Amazing Grace, Quam Pastors, and Upon the Housetop. And it's by Mr. Christmas, of course. And then on the back here, it tells you the 3 different steps. Plug in your tree lights into the control box, plug the control box into electric outlet, hang the ornament, and say, hello, Mr. Christmas. Let the voice-controlled musical light show begin. And then it says 2012 Mr. Christmas Incorporated.
Okay, so it was made in 2012.
2012. So, and then we saw the same on this side. Okay, and then he also has the songs.
Yeah, and he also has a light on there that shines on the book. So, and that stays on until you unplug it or there's no power to it. So.
And then here we have the speaker and the lights and sounds of Christmas. We have volume control, voice control, musical light show off, and motion activated.
And also on here, it has a side where you can demo it.
Oh, yeah, sure. No, demo or normal.
Yeah, so,
what you thinking?
Let's demo it.
And we just plugged in some random lights from
Walmart.
From Walmart. So. Okay.
Well, hello. To see what I can do, please say lights on or play a carol.
Lights on.
Ta-da! If you'd like me to do something else, just say, hello, Mr. Christmas.
Hello, Mr. Christmas.
Well, hello. To see what I can do, please say good night or play a carol.
Play a carol.
You're in for a treat. Please choose a carol from my songbook.
Joy to the world.
Joy to the world and peace on earth. so joyful. Please pick another song now, or say goodnight.
God rest you, merry gentlemen.
Coming up, God rest ye merry gentlemen, and gentlewomen too. For more tidings of comfort and joy, please pick another song from my list, or say goodnight.
Good night.
Good night to you.
And then you can see the little lights that Connor was talking about up on there. So I think it's very good. Mr. Christmas. And I like that they play the whole songs. They just don't cheap out.
And only play like 10 or 15
Right,
seconds. Like,
exactly.
but,
So this is one of our mini collections with our
Yeah.
Mr. Christmas collection.
yeah.
So I definitely like it.
Yeah.
Again, where do you think it's sold at?
I would say, I know one of them would be Mr. Christmas's website.
Uh-huh.
But in store wise, I would say Lowe's or Kmart. But
Yeah.
probably not Kmart because Kmart was filing for bankruptcy and stuff like that, you know.
Got you.
But
All right. What you think, bro?
I like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check out my other Mr. Christmas reviews.
Thank you.
Thank you.